Alright, so today we are going to learn how to draw a pumpkin in a landscape. So the first thing you want to do is fold your paper in half for horizon lines. So you just bring up the bottom edge to the top edge and then press your hands down like that. And that gives you a nice fold. That's the horizon line where the ground and the sky meet. Now you're going to turn your paper vertically and you're going to make a big letter C. But some of the C is going to be on one side of the horizon line and some is going to be on the other side of that folded horizon line. Big letter C. All right, turn it back. And we're going to create a grass line. So it's just going to be a wiggly line that closes off that letter C. Now we have the basic pumpkin shape. Then we're going to make the pumpkin stem. So another letter C that starts at the top and then just kind of goes there. Draw a little oval underneath the top of that letter C and then draw another letter C, and now you have a pumpkin stem. Erase the top of the pumpkin that's inside the stem so it looks like it is overlapping. Now we're going to draw more curved lines coming from the bottom of that stem. So first, just a wiggly curved line at the bottom of the stem. Now start at the bottom of the stem and draw a great big curved line all the way down to the grass. And another curved line from the stem to the grass. Now you're going to switch directions and draw a curved line going the other way. So see, it's going to go the other way now. Like that. And then from the stem to the grass, draw another curved line. And that is like the bumps in the pumpkin. And if you want to add a few more bumps, that is fine. Just make sure that they are curved going the correct direction. Okay, so now I have my pumpkin all drawn out, and you should have your pumpkin all drawn out too. If you would like to make more pumpkins in the background, remember, if they are far away, they're going to be smaller. But again, you just make that letter C with some of the letter on the bottom part of the fold and some on the top. It does have to sit under the fold. Some of the pumpkin has to be under the fold, or it will look like your pumpkin is floating in air, and that is not what we're going for. All of our pumpkins are going to be in the pumpkin patch. So again, I draw my grass. Again, I make my curved line for my stem and my oval and my curved line and the little wiggly line for the stem. Erase inside the stem so it's overlapping and those curved lines. All right, I'm going to speed up now. So go ahead and put your pencils down so you can see how I finish up drawing in one more pumpkin. Put your pencils down for now. And just watch how I draw in another pumpkin. And again, you can draw one pumpkin or two pumpkins or three pumpkins. It is up to you on how many pumpkins you want to draw in your pumpkin patch. But you will have to color them all in. All right. Now that I have it all drawn in, I'm going to speed up even more to show you how to color in your pumpkins. We are going to be using crayons. And we have lots of different kinds of oranges. And I'm going to start with a very dark orange. It's called Scarlet. To outline and go over my lines of my pumpkin. And I'm going to use green to draw in a vine and go over my stem. And then I'm going to use a light orange to color in my pumpkin. That way the dark outline oranges show up really well. I'm going to even go over my orange with a yellow, and I'm going to go over my orange with another orange, and I'm going to really build up the colors with all different kinds of colors that make orange. So remember, orange is made with red and yellow. So if I wanted to draw red or yellow on top, I can. I'm drawing some yellow on top of my orange to give it a yellowy orange. Now I'm going to go over it even more with more oranges to really fill in my pumpkin with lots and lots of orange color. All right, when I'm done coloring in my pumpkin, I am then going to color in my other pumpkins, and then color in my grass, and then color in my sky. All right, I'm just going to go into fast forward mode to show you how. All right, so I drew a green line on my fold, so I know that I only put green below that fold line. And then I'm going to do a night sky, so I'm going to draw in a moon and some stars. Some of you don't know how to draw stars, so let me show you how. Now this is how I learned how to draw stars, is just to draw it like that. And if you know how to draw a star like that, that's great. Otherwise, make an A with a really long horizontal and then go crisscross. Let me show you that again. So you make a big triangle and then draw a line through it. And then from this tip, you criss, and then from that top, cross. And that is a way to make a star. You don't have to put stars in your drawing if you don't want to. Or you could just make them dot stars if you want. Or you could just have your pumpkin patch during the day. It is up to you on how you want to make your sky for your pumpkin patch. All right, so I'm all done, and it looks great, and I know yours is going to look really fantastic.